I honestly did not see this coming, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys didn't either. Welcome back to GL Studios. My name is G. Today we're gonna go back to Netflix and talk about a Netflix original called Ghost Bride. So here's the ending. This is a very big spoiler alert. So in the ending, they found out that Isabel is the one that pushed Leland at the gambling den, which caused her to go unconscious, which then took her to the afterlife. In the human world, she was just basically in a coma. And it turns out that she was the one that killed that dead guy, because at one point, her and that bad guy went out on a date or talked or something. Her fiance and that bad guy are brothers. So basically, he bribed her, saying that if she didn't do his dirty work for him, he was going to snitch on her to her fiance about their secret. So it turns out she poisoned him somehow. All of this happened because the dead guy wanted to find out who poisoned him. It turns out it was her. I honestly did not see this coming, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys didn't either. I really liked it. The acting was pretty good. I liked the acting. The lead actress, she was very good. I think the show had a lower budget than what other Netflix shows does, but the cinematics were pretty good. The visuals and the audio. And the writer is the same writer that wrote Hannibal and The Flash. The clothing looked very contemporary, but the characters are very modern, relatable. It feels like it was made with an American audience in mind. And if you didn't know, there's also a book called Ghost Bride, which this is based off of. I thought the soundtrack was really good. The acting was really good. Well, most of the acting. I think those servants in hell or the afterlife, I thought they could have used better makeup. Definitely recommend it. I would compare this to Hotel de Luna. If you like Hotel de Luna, you would probably like this. It's called Ghost Bride. I don't normally watch dramas, but if it involves a ghost or the afterlife, I will watch it. I've watched Ghost Bride, Black, Korean Odyssey, Bridget on Ghost, Sejong. The list goes on, but you see what I mean. Let me know in the comments below if there's a Netflix show that you would like me to review. My name is G and you're watching GL Studios.